Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to link your Activision account with a PlayStation account. So you can use this to link it to like a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. And if you do find this helps you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Activision.com. So you just want to open up your preferred browser and come across to Activision.com. And then if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen, which looks like this. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is come to the top right hand corner and click onto Profile. So this is going to take you to all your details for your profile, and to link your PlayStation account is very easy to do. All you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and make sure you click onto the top one which says account linking, and then from here you'll see a number of different accounts you can link your Activision account to. All you need to do is locate where it says PlayStation account, which is right here, and then you just want to click the blue link account button here. And what's going to happen, it might come up asking you to verify your account first. So what they might do is send a code to your email to put in. But if not, then, or if you have done that already, then what's going to happen, you're going to get a message come up like this. And that's going to basically say that you'll now be taken to the PlayStation site. And from there, you can actually log in and link your account. So just to note that Activision only allows one account per platform. So you can always edit your profile later to change or add accounts. So just because you add an account now, it doesn't necessarily mean you have to have that account forever. You can come back and change it to a different PlayStation account if you need to. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and click this blue continue button down here. And that's going to take me across to the PlayStation website. So I'm just going to enter my details in. Like so, and then click the blue sign in button down here. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with this permission, so you can read through these documents if you want to, like their terms of service, privacy policy, etc, etc. And then once you're happy, you just want to go ahead and click the blue I agree button down here. And what's going to happen, that's going to take you into your account. So you just need to click onto next down here. Scroll down and then choose your advertising and personalized preferences, and then click the blue confirm button down here. And you'll see once that's done, you're all linked up. It's going to take you back to the Activision website, and you'll see that I've got my PlayStation account linked up. So I've also done this for my Xbox as well. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.